वेलकम टू दिस चैनल और आज हम बात करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स 29 जून 2020। चलिए देखते हैं हम आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वर्ल्ड थायराइड डे ऑल इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन विच डे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड? 22 मई, 23 मई, 25 मई, 26 मई। योर आंसर इज 25 मई। Border Road Organization (BRO) for achieving the completion of road connectivity from Dachula to Lipu Lake China border, famously known as Kailash Mansarovar Yatra route. In which of the following states does Lipu Lake belong? Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim. Your answer is Uttarakhand. CSIR-IIM Jammu, a constituent laboratory of CSIR, signed MoU with which company to develop and scale up a new reverse transcriptase loop mediate isothermal amplification based COVID-19 diagnostic kit? Tech Mahindra, Reliance Industries Limited, Infosys, Tata Group. Reliance Industries Limited. Ministry of Cultural Development of Museum and Cultural Spaces (DMCS) recently digitally launched the short film A Ray of Genius to mark the beginning of centenary celebrations of Jimmy Roy, Satyajit Roy, Sandeep Roy या अरुंधति रॉय चौधरी. Your answer is Satyajit Roy. The World Health Organization (WHO) have teamed up with which organization to fight the battle against COVID-19 and have signed an agreement to work together to promote health through sport and physical activity. International Olympic Committee, the Federation International de Football Association, International Cricket Council, International Sports Federation. Your answer is International Olympic Committee. India's top 5 trading partners are USA, China, UAE, Saudi Arab, Hong Kong. USA, China, UK, Japan, Russia. China, USA, UAE, France, Japan. China, UAE, USA, UK, France. Your answer is USA, China, UAE, Saudi Arab and Hong Kong. The concept of thalinomics has been presented in India in the Union Budget 2020 to 2021, Economic Survey 2019 to 2020, SDG India Index 2019, National Financial Inclusion Strategy 2019 to 2024. Your answer is Economic Survey 2019 to 2020. Which country successfully destroyed an unmanned aerial vehicle with a solid-state laser weapon system demonstrator from Pacific? China, Russia, USA, France. Your answer is USA. Which country operationalized the world's largest radio telescope? Your options are USA, China, Russia, India. Your answer is China. As per Economic Survey 2019 to 2020, projections to achieve GDP of $5 trillion by 2025, India needs to spend about dash on infrastructure $1.40 trillion. What is the name of the PPE kit made with innovative breathable fabric material to provide comfort to healthcare workers working against COVID-19 pandemic developed by Indian Navy? Kovrakshak, Novkov, Kovnev, Navrakshak. Navrakshak. Katerina Sakellaropoulou was the first woman president of Greece, Spain, Finland, Netherlands. Your answer is Greece. The theme of Economic Survey 2019 to 2020 is सबका साथ सबका विश्वास सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास enable markets, promote pro-business policies and strengthen trust in the economy, make in India to assemble in India. Your answer is enable markets, promote pro-business policies and strengthen trust in the economy. In order to foray into the credit cards segment, private sector Bandhan Bank has entered into a partnership with Dash in August 2019. JP Morgan Chase, Royal Bank of Scotland, BNP Paribas, Standard Chartered Bank. Your answer is Standard Chartered Bank. What is the name of PPE kit made with innovative breathable fabric material to provide comfort to healthcare workers working against COVID-19 pandemic developed by Indian Navy? ये repeated question है नवरक्षक. What is the India's rank on EIU Global Democracy Index 2019? The rank is 51. What is the India's rank on EIU Global Democracy Index? 51st. The first phase of the Army Commanders Conferences will be organized on which date? 22 to 26 May, 25 to 30 May, 1 to 5th June or 27 to 29 May. Your answer is 27 to 29 May. On the January 2020, who has been selected for the 29th Saraswati Samman for 2019? Ishwar Morjani, Panna Madhasudan, Vasudev Mohi, Nilba Kandikar. Your answer is Vasudev Mohi. Here we are ending the session. Please stay tuned with NBS Academy presented by Medhavi Bhargav. Thank you.